We're back with another video. Well, yes, a washing video. Today we'll be playing pressure wash for BRAINROTS. Now, as you can see behind me, I already have 3 installed, and they both together make me 4.6K a second. Okay, $4,600 something a second. Let's collect them. $300,000, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Alright, let's keep going. Let's move down here to where it says upgrade, increase your power. And you can sell it too right over here. It says sell your BRAINROTS for cash. So that's gonna be in a little while. As long as I get an OP anyways. You know what I'm saying? But we got 185 power. Let's go. See how easy this is? Except for the next level, it's not gonna be easy. But we're still gonna have to try to get through it though. Oh yeah, we ain't gonna have nothing in there through there. Give me that epic. Give me that epic for 30 seconds to go out. No, this is the only better one. Hold on. Alright, we back at the base. I just had to do something real quick. Is this my base? This is not mine. So which one is it? Oh, guys, I'm confused. Which one is my base? Oh, down here. I'm so confused. Like, I get my stuff mixed up a lot. $3 a second, that's not bad at all, baby boo. Not bad, not bad. 37,000 already? Come on, man. Come on, man. 270,000? 200,000? 100? Come on, man. I'm balling. Rich motherfucker like me. AP on my wrist. These diamonds here, pussy. And what your mad ass? I just made a minute tick when I walk out my glad ass. You see the numbers going up, pussy, with your sad ass. Feeling about my mama brand new girl, my bad ass. My bad ass. My bad ass. If y'all know what song that is, comment down below. So Power Shop. I call it Power Shop because you upgrade basically your muscles. 4. 234. No. I don't want. Let's do this, y'all. $307,000 again. Come on. Don't do this. No, we're gonna run through this. We're gonna not run through this. It's still hard. Do you upgrade your gun? Do you upgrade anything at all on the gun? Yo! A rare. No, that's an epic. Yeah. Holy shit, y'all. We're gonna make $1,000 a second. Rich already. Where the power wash? This whole fucking time. Fucking stupid shit. Alright, we got about a new one, y'all. Let's do this shit, man. This is better too. Better, huh? Or it's still worse? Oh yeah, it's a whole lot better. Can't lie to you. $300 a second, nope. Damn, got a neon cat just spawning right beside me. Alright, we get out this bitch. Let's move from this bitch. Just make sure everybody, you know, they come through if they want to. But come wide open, punks. Cause I don't see no one here. Let me wait on them real quick. Oh, they gotta do it to themselves too. I didn't think that. See, I'm kind of like, my head kind of a little fucked up. You know what I'm saying? 15.1 Ks. Pick it up. 9.1. Look at this shit, y'all. Look at this bullshit. Look at it. Tell me what you see. Tell me what you see working out every second. Thousands of dollars. This bitch already hit 200,000. This bitch finna hit 500,000. And what did it do? I'm cashing that check in. Come straight to my bank account. I need that chicken before I come to it. I want it. Almost there, y'all. Almost there. Oh yeah. We have to rebirth. Does it cost? It don't. Except one, you will lose all cash and power when you rebirth. I don't give a fuck. You need locker. Man, you know what? Fuck these rebirths. I ain't doing this shit. Fuck this stuff. Fuck this motherfucker. Nah, Not even that many people got rebirths in this bitch anyways. They just stacking up that chicken. That's exactly what the fuck I'm finna do. Fuck you, Roblox. You retarded bitch. Fuck this game. That's why exactly why I ain't finna join this bitch. I don't like the fucking game. It's retarded. But before now, we finna do this shit. Come on, man. Oh, lucky block! It's finna disappear. No, it's not. Give it to me. Give me that fucking lucky block. And don't you say a fucking word. Don't you move away. Stay in my fucking hands, you dirty neck bitch.
Lucky block!
Oh, a birdie one. That does 1.3K. That's still not good. But it's better than nothing. Just to be honest with you. I don't claim the damn brain rot. Not at all. He only got the one times cash multiplier. Nobody else fucking does. Like, who the fuck want another? Like, come on, man. Oh, this one does 40. Man, we're gonna steal it. Oh, we ain't gotta bring out a brain. Robux. That's fucked up. That's okay though. We don't complain. We don't judge. We gonna upgrade this bitch to the max. Yeah, this is the best one, really. Yeah. Watch this. Already $100,000. Watch this. Ha. Infinitely rich. It's kind of fucking tough, really. Alright, let's put some more. You know what I mean? Let's put some more fucking damn things in here. First, we're gonna upgrade this too. Shit, we can't. We don't have no 8.5 mil. But we almost there. Just give it time, guys. Now we got 310 straight. Let's go through it now. This is so easy. Like down there of a moving train. And this is a swag soda. Do BDB, then you need swag
Swag
soda.
soda.
Swag soda. This gonna boost my shit. 35.4K safe. That's big. That's dope. That's dope, boys. Well, I'm gonna get ready to end it here, you guys. I hope you guys enjoy this pressure wash for BRAINROTS game. And comment down below, have you made it to the end yet? Have you beat the game? Or have you maxed out every fucking thing in the fucking server? Or in the game, not the server? Comment down below and while you're there, subscribe. Join me on my Roblox account, my channel. Well, not the channel, Roblox account, yeah. It's called G Pop Out Blogs with an extra X. You could just put one X because it's still the same thing. There's gonna be 2 Roblox accounts. One of them I lost a password to because I had like a lockdown key where, you know, I had created a whole nother account for some bullshit. But this one, yeah, not happening this time. You learn from your mistake once. I see y'all in the next one. Have a great day. Have a great day or night, wherever you are. Making a great one. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.